Hello, this is Spark Study C. As you can see, its appearance, for those who have not been, doesn't know it, how it looks like. It has got a dual speaker here, even on top. It's perfect on the sound, how it produces sound when you're playing anything. Then the camera, it's perfect. It has got two cameras with the focus camera. As you can see, even the flashlight, how it looks like, and the appearance behind, it's wow, for real. Even the texture behind, it's perfect, like for someone to hold when you're holding it. It has got a Type-C, and as you can see, the headset pin, it's perfect to use. Swiping it, like accessing into apps, it's wow. You see, over app, each app to another. See the way how speedy it is. So it's a better phone to be used if you like to use it. As you can see, even the apps scrolling, the RAM, it's perfect. That's what it means to be on a 4 RAM GB. Means its speed, it's Spark, it's better than other phones which we have been seeing on the Spark series. In the camera, with a notification on the camera when you're using it. Then we check out the camera, how it looks like. As you can see, when you zoom it out, it's wow, it's perfect for it. Then we got the settings and review some settings about it. It's quite good. Then when resetting this phone, if you want to wipe data or the data within this phone, what you can do, you come to this reset phone, then you wipe everything. See, it's even backing up on the cloud back. As you can see, the notification on top, as I told you, on the camera notification. Then sometimes when the network is not okay, then you reset the Wi-Fi settings. But now if you want to reset the at least data within the phone in case it's slowing down and whatever stuff, you click on wipe all data, then you wipe, you click okay and wipe data. Then the next thing, how to wipe data, like if you don't know the password of it, like to remove all the password and the data within this phone, like you accidentally forgot the password, what you do, you first put the phone off. Hello guys, this is the second way how you can format this phone. You press volume up and power button all together at the same time, like I'm doing. Then after pressing those and you see this command, then you keep on pressing, you press them again, keep on pressing until you see an interface of format. As you can see, then you use volume down to go on factory reset and wipe data. Then you click power button, then you go down on factory data reset, then you reboot the phone and wait for it to power on. So now here you set the phone like a new phone setup wizard. As you can set a new phone, then here you select the country or the region where you are. You click skip, for the skipping the SIM card because you have not yet used it. On the internet, click accept terms and conditions. Here, accept Google services. Click skip. Click on this charge.